So some of these remotes sometimes don't work, and I found out why this one wasn't working. This one's actually for a Magnavox, and I should have done a before picture or actually a video on it, but of course it's working now that I'm pushing play. So anyways, what I did is I actually it didn't have batteries in it when I bought it over at a thrift store. And I think the reason why they actually gave it up is because they couldn't really function the VCR without the remote, of course. But anyways, inside you have the spring that holds the batteries, pushing it up against that positive terminal. So you have the spring in the back that's negative. Anyways, you can't really see it in there. There you go. That's it right there. That spring was full of battery acid, which was making it impossible to take it to make contact. So what I did is I took off the screw here and the screw here, and I popped the cover off and did it just gave it a real thorough cleaning. Matter of fact, I even used some scissors just to use the blade part to scrape off all that battery acid that was on that spring back there. So now it's making really good contact, and now the remote's actually working. So yeah, the people that gave up this at the thrift store, they actually just gave away a good VCR because now it's actually working pretty good. We're gonna switch it over to DVD and push play. And let's see, now we have video working. Let's go ahead and fast forward it. Make sure all the functions are working on the remote. Rewind it. And push play again. Now we're going to pause it. Okay. And then we're going to stop it. And then we're going to push eject. Just want to make sure all the buttons are functioning right. Okay, and then we're going to go back to VCR mode. I'm just going to push play real quick. Just fast forwarding it real quick. Watching some Animal House there. So, okay, so just wanted to let you know that don't ever throw away these remotes, because it could be something as simple as just a acid cleaning off the springs. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.